Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Centrum Multivitamin bottle. Many Centrum bottles feature a child-resistant cap designed for safety. This cap requires a specific two-step motion to open, ensuring that young children cannot easily access the contents. We'll go through each step carefully, so you can confidently open your bottle every time. It's a simple process once you know the technique. The most common method for opening these bottles is the push-and-turn technique. First, ensure the cap is fully seated and aligned. Then, place the palm of your hand firmly on top of the cap, applying steady downward pressure. While maintaining this pressure, rotate the cap counterclockwise. You should feel the cap disengage from the locking mechanism, allowing it to twist freely. Sometimes, opening the bottle can be a bit tricky. If the cap isn't turning, make sure you're applying enough downward force. It often requires more pressure than you might expect. Also, check for any sticky residue or buildup around the cap's threads, which can hinder movement. A simple trick is to use a rubber jar opener or a dish towel to get a better grip, providing extra leverage for twisting. If you've tried the standard method and troubleshooting without success, don't hesitate to ask for help from another adult. For storage, always keep your Centrum multivitamins in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture, to maintain their potency. Most importantly, ensure the bottle is always stored securely out of the reach and sight of young children, even after opening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.